Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Fit Couple Cooks. I personally always have a hard time deciding what to cook when I have guests coming over just because I don't want to stay in the kitchen the entire time and not spend time with them. On the other hand, I don't want to serve them cold food that I cooked like 5 hours before. So in today's recipe, you just need to pop it in the oven and serve it hot when it's done. Let's get started. And if you like my recipes, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Here I have 3 cups of potatoes cut in big chunks and 2 cups onion cut in big chunks. I'm just gonna pour all of these in a cast iron skillet, and I'm just gonna separate each slices of onion because when it gets cooked, I want each pieces to have all the flavor in them. So I'm just gonna separate them and I'll show it to you then. It's time for some seasoning, guys. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. That's right. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and now you just wanna mix it properly. Let all the oil, salt, pepper, everything mix properly. And now the most important ingredient is dried rosemary. 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary. Add this and give it a nice mix. And now what you want to do is, after mixing it, just push all these onions and potatoes in the corner, around the corner, and make a well in between and just keep it aside. That's it. In a bowl, take 1 stick or half cup of butter at room temperature. Add 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt according to your taste, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can make it half also, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, this is optional, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. What you want to do now is give it a really nice mix and let the butter and all the spices mix really well and just keep it aside. Okay, so here's my whole chicken. I washed it, cleaned it, and dried it properly. I removed the skin. You can keep the skin if you want. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take little by little of that butter mixture and I'm gonna rub it on the entire chicken, inside and out, very nicely coated, very nicely. Now that my chicken is properly coated, I've placed it in the well that we made, and I've taken some pieces of clove and just pressing them on the chicken. So that the chicken takes all the flavor from the clove, and it smells great and it tastes great, and oh, I cannot tell you. You guys have to try this. I've taken 4 slices of lime wedges and I'm just gonna place it around, and I have one whole lime over there and cut it in half and gonna stuff it inside the chicken along with 1 fresh stem of rosemary. The rosemary and lime stuffed inside is gonna give an amazing flavor to the potatoes and chicken and the juices. Oh my god, I can't believe. So the last step is I've tied the legs of the chicken so that the stuffing doesn't come out and it cooks evenly, and I'm just gonna tuck in the wings under the chicken, and this baby is ready to go in the oven. I've preheated the oven at 400 Fahrenheit and I'm gonna let it cook for 1 hour 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna show it when it's done. My chicken is all done after 1 hour 30 minutes and it looks and smells amazing. You can see how it looks. Oh my god, I can't believe. So if you like my recipes, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.